Hi, welcome to day 18. Today's lesson is on Chrome extensions. I'm sure some of you have added extensions before, so it might not be new, but there will be particular instructions for the lesson, so you want to make sure you follow along. An extension is a small piece of software that customizes how you browse on Chrome, and it allows you to tailor how Chrome works for you. And they can range from simple icons like a Gmail checker, a cursor creator, something to use Flipgrid, or to cast your screen, or to code, or read your text aloud. So there's so many. The school does block a lot of them because of privacy issues from your Chromebook. But where you find your extensions is right up here by this little gray puzzle piece in the right-hand corner of your screen. The one I'm using to record my screen is the only one I have pinned right now. But if I click on the puzzle piece, I can see how many I've installed on my Chromebook. And I have a bunch, but I unpinned them all for the point of this activity because I want it to start as a blank screen. So if you have any that are up here all the time on yours, simply for the start of this activity and the screenshot, go ahead and unpin them. And when I say unpin, it means if I push the little pin mark, it pops up on this bar. If I unclick it, it disappears. So to start this activity, you want your screen blank at the top, all unpinned. Okay, so if you have any of the ones that we're going to use today, you'll just repin them for the photo. But if you have to download them all, then you'll be downloading them. So where do I get Chrome extensions from? Well, I get them from the web store. So to access my web store on a Chromebook, you can simply go to the little circle icon at the bottom of your screen, click on it, show all your apps, and then web store is the one that you want to go to. That's where you are going to get extensions from. You can just Google the extension and say, I want the color extension. But the easiest way is to go straight from the web store. As you can see, extensions are chosen. And then you're going to type the first one in that you want to find. So the first one that we're going to add to our Chromebooks is the one called Dual Less. And you might already have this one. So you might already have this one done, and all you have to do is pin it to your extensions bar. But if you have not added Duelist, there it is. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it. And it should say here, add to my Chromebook or add to Chrome. I already have it, so I don't have to click on add it, but you're going to click on add it. It might take you through like a little permission, but you add it. I'll even show you what it says to me. I'll remove it. And then it says add. I'm going to add it. It asks you to add, click add, and then you can see it's downloading and you now have it. It automatically shows it to you on the pinned board, but then takes it away. So in order for the screenshot to show it, you're going to find it in your list, dual list, pin it to your extensions bar. Okay, so that's how we add an extension. So we're going to go backwards to our extensions. Click on extensions right there. Back to the Chrome store. The next one we're going to add is Flipgrid. And so I just type it right in there. The Flipgrid extension comes up. I click on it. Again, I already have it, but you would add click. I'm going to go pin it back up here. So if you've used Flipgrid, you might already have it. I'm going to pin it on my extensions bar, and there it goes. Okay, so that's the simple process of adding extensions. Once the extensions are up there, now you have the ability to use them to make your life easier. So for instance, Dual List, we talked about in class a couple times, is the one that will split your screen. So if I want to show multiple tabs, since I have several things open, I can choose the method of splitting my screen. And so now I can see both screens, or I can change how I see it and make this one bigger, and it shrinks it like that. So it's just an awesome feature that the Chromebooks have that allow you to make life easier by different things. It's how Miss Watts adds her Bitmoji to her little Where's Watts, because I have a Bitmoji one in my extensions. You guys can't access that one. But for instance, I have access to that. There's cool things if you have another device other than the school Chromebook for screenshotting. You're going to download one like this one, not this exact one, but the eyedropper. When you're on a website and want to know what a color is, you can use the color picker tool and find out what colors certain things are on websites. There's Screencastify, where you can record your screen and you talking. There's ones to read your text aloud. So in today's instructions, you will have a list of extensions that you will have to add. And then to get credit for the assignment, you are going to hit Control Shift and the key above your 6 to take a partial screenshot. And you are going to screenshot just your extensions bar, so that I'll have a picture of the extensions that I've listed in the instructions. So if I open up that photo I just took and find it, there it is, screenshot. I think it's this one. Yes. Okay. There, if I were only to have told you to download these 1, 2, 3, then this would be a completed screenshot of your 3 extensions downloaded. So there will be a list of ones that you need to add. And those are the only ones I expect to see on your bar at the time of the screenshot, so that I can see exactly the icons that I'm grading you on. So if you do have any other ones that are not part of the assignment, make sure you unpin them first before you take the screenshot. That way you're only screenshotting the extensions that I want to see for the assignment. And again, that list will be in the assignment discussion post. And then you will post your screenshot to the discussion board. And the last item, of course, and our favorite item, is where is Miss Watts today on day 18? Where did she go? Let us find out. I think she is at Aruga's. Wanted to watch some Sunday football and eat some wings, so went to Aruga's. And it's spelled just like it is on the green tag here, with the apostrophe and the S. So make sure you spell it correctly. Okay, and we shall see you tomorrow, and your extensions will be due tomorrow evening. Thank you, and have a great day.